We have our ledger all set up and ready to go. Now we're going to go stake some ATOM tokens. Let's go. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, first thing we're going to do is make sure that we added the Cosmos network. So if we go to accounts, if you haven't already, you just search up here and then you would click on it and then you would add it. There would be a button to add the network. We did that yesterday in the ledger setup video. Once we know that's been added and we can see it here, we're going to hit receive. First, we're going to plug in our ledger and sign in with your PIN code. Do that right. Take my ledger, put in my PIN code. Okay, and then we're going to go to Cosmos Network on Ledger itself. And then I'll say Cosmos ready. So then when we hit receive, we're going to hit continue. Then it's going to connect to our wall or to our ledger. And then it's going to give us the address that we need to send our tokens to. So I'm going to send some from my Kepler wallet. You can send them from an exchange, Coinbase, KuCoin, whatever you need to do. But make sure you send enough over to make it worth it to stake. Because there is going to be a small fee to stake the tokens for gas. And there will be there's going to be a small fee to send the tokens over even from Kepler or from the exchange. One thing you need to make sure that the address on your ledger matches the one on your screen. They make you approve that, which is good. I like that. It's more security. So we're going to go ahead and approve that. And it says, it says address shared securely. So we're good. And obviously, if the address does not match, then you want to exit out and then retry it and make sure that the address is matched before you send tokens to that address. Okay, I sent 6 tokens to the address. It's here. It took about 3 minutes. So I sent it from my Kepler to the ledger and it's there. So all you have to do is you come up here where it says stake, you click on it, and it does. The bad thing about staking on the ledger is that it does take a 7.5% commission. But the good part is that it's the most secure possible way. I do a little staking on both on the ledger and in Kepler wallet. Kepler is one of the more secure hot wallets there is out there. As long as you disconnect from sites, it seems to be fairly secure, and make sure that you set up the correct wallet, the Kepler wallet that has the seed phrase, not the one that connects to Google. So if you do that, it should be pretty secure. Okay, we're ready to stake. So we got to make sure that we're signed in again. After a minute or two, it's going to kick you out of your ledger, which is good. You don't want to leave it laying around with your PIN in it. So it says Cosmos ready. So we hit stake and now we're going to hit continue. And we're going to make sure that we leave some ATOM token in our wallet. So right now we have 6.18 on here. So I'm going to stake 6.1. And then we're going to hit continue. And then it's going to ask us if, let's see, I'm going to say, please review the transaction on your ledger. So we're going to tap right and then we'll go to approve. Make sure everything looks good on your screen. Make sure everything looks good on your device. We're going to hit approve. It broadcasts the transaction through the blockchain. And it says we have successfully delegated your assets. So we're going to hit view details. And we'll look on the side here. The transaction fee was 8 cents. And everything went through. It looks good. And now on this particular device, I have Let's see how much I have staked. It looks like I have 9.992 Atom tokens staked on this device. And if we look here, we can see we're already accumulating rewards pretty quickly. And that's it. You don't have to have your ledger plugged in to look at your account to see what you have and how many rewards you have. You just have to have your ledger plugged in, ready to go to do any type of transactions. To claim rewards, to transfer more tokens, you always have to have your ledger ready to do that. But I always have my ledger live on my computer so I can take a look and see what I have and what rewards I have accrued. All right, that is how you stake Atom token on a ledger. So that's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm gonna do a couple other coins. I think hbar. They don't do algo anymore on here directly on the ledger device, but they do hbar now. So I'm going to do the next one on the hbar staking. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.